guys, Aubrey here, back with another video. Today, we are going to be, first, I missed you guys. I know, it's been a very long time since I've uploaded. It's just because school has started again up for me, and it sucks. Duh. And I've been having a lot of drama going on. I'm really busy, all that stuff. But thanks to you guys, we have hit 190 subscribers. Oh my god. I never really thought that we would get this far. Thank you guys so much. Next live stream, I will be doing the giveaway, and we are going to be giving away this spike wristband. And that green long spike wristband. Then the rules will be in my next live stream. I was hoping to live stream today, but I got a little bit busy, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, my little TVs, and peace out.